electric mobility just got a lot more thrilling introducing the 2025 Xiaomi SU7 Ultra, a bold leap into the premium EV segment that's turning heads and shaking up expectations. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the SU7 Ultra grabs your attention with a sleek, sculpted design inspired by aerodynamic precision. Its low-slung stance, aggressive front fascia with piercing LED headlights, and fluid body lines give it a sporty yet luxurious persona. With active aero components and a drag coefficient of just 0.195, this machine isn't just built to look fast, it's built to fly through air like a blade. Under the hood, or rather, beneath its beautifully engineered chassis, sits a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup that unleashes up to 986 horsepower. Yes, you read that right, nearly 1,000 horses, allowing the SU7 Ultra to rocket from 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.78 seconds. Thanks to Xiaomi's HyperEngine V8S platform and CATL's 150Q battery, it delivers a jaw-dropping range of over 800 kilometers on a single charge, redefining long-distance travel in an EV. The torque vectoring system ensures razor-sharp handling, while active suspension adapts in real time for a ride that's both dynamic and buttery smooth. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit that feels straight out of a tech lover's dream. A massive 16.1-inch 3K touchscreen dominates the dashboard, supported by a 56-inch AR heads-up display and Xiaomi's HyperOS seamlessly integrated throughout the cabin. What truly sets the Xiaomi SU7 Ultra apart is its smart ecosystem integration. With seamless syncing to your Xiaomi smartphone, smart home devices, and AI-powered personal assistant, the car becomes more than a vehicle, it becomes a lifestyle extension. With Level 3, autonomous driving, over-the-air updates, and a vision that bridges luxury, performance, and tech, the 2025 SU7 Ultra isn't just Xiaomi's debut, it's a revolution.